how to fix GTA 5 application was unable to start correctly, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just right click on your GTA 5 shortcut and click properties. Now go to compatibility, and after that just click change settings for all users. Now just turn on this option and select Windows 7 and click OK and OK again. And now just go to settings, go to update and security. Now if you find here any update, just update your Windows and install all the updates, and then just wait for it, and after that restart your PC and then try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.